Maybe some of you asking why the transmission of harvester cracks. There's a lot of reasons why it cracks. First, overloading. Excessive load must that is the most common. Harvester operated beyond its capacity, cutting very heavy or wet crops cause extreme stress on gears and housing. The second is poor or no lubrication, or sometimes the oil that you use is not specific to the transmission. Low transmission oil level, wrong type of oil. That's what we have, as I have mentioned a while ago. Dirty and old oil. Uh, in the area, I saw some, not many, but some of the owners they prefer to use the used oil. They don't want to replace a new one. It's because they said that it's quite expensive, and no matter how I tried to explain that these are the uh, how to prevent this thing happens. Use correct transmission oil, follow load limits and regular inspection and maintenance, proper torque during assembly, and I think I have to include the skills of the operator, because sometimes the operator does not they do not care about the units that they use. They only want to have a salary, but not thinking about what would be the result if they operated harshly. Like that. Wheel pala to eh. Ha? Wheel to, di ba? Gauge. Gauge. Oh, ito na. I think I have
Ito,
to stop
kulang dito.
and continue this tomorrow for the assembling this transmission. So don't worry to those who want to know how to dismantle this one and assemble. I will make another videos on this.